to you, I'm lost again. I don't wanna run from all of this. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. So break me if all your words don't help me. I've been gone.
Give it to me like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Uzuh and you're welcome to my channel. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, spread the love, spread the fun. And you know what today is, according to the title? Well, today is the traditional marriage of the PE partners and we'll be going there. Do enjoy the vlog. So I made my hair myself, and this is me just feeling myself and showing you guys how it looks. I couldn't vlog it, but I hope you could see how neat it was through this video. Yeah guys, so the other took Kosa buses for us and the family and also some of the friends that are staying around here on the mainland, and this is the bus, and of course my dearest, I sat at the back just because.
If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but why did you declare? Yeah, tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah, I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
And the journey begins. So I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy the vlog. Bye guys.
Alright, go.
So we're here already and we're just getting ready for the groom and family entrance.
Nature came prepared.
At the end of the day, the only thing that really matters is making life as pleasant as possible. Like, that should be the goal, is just to make life as enjoyable as possible.
I want to flex my love. I want to press it. And I want to carry my love with this she loves.
At this point I was so tired and exhausted because we all know that this weather is for what? Sleeping. I didn't give you guys an outfit check because of the whole nature and all, but I wore a leather pants and Isha Guru traditional attire crop top, pearls necklace and earrings, and I carried a white bag. I also wore my heels, but I didn't show that in this video. So that's the end of this part. Bye guys. Guys, this is the third time of me filming this video. Why? Because the last one I did, my lip gloss apparently was just going gummy. Anyways, I know this is the first time of you guys hearing my voice in this vlog. It's been voice over glory. But anyways, today is the day 2 of the PE partner's wedding. Today is the white wedding, and I just finished doing my makeup, and I'm about to wear my dress because it seems like my dad is done. Maybe almost done, and I don't want to be rushed, so I'm just trying to wear it at least since he knows I'm already wearing my clothes. So, anyways, if you are seeing this face for the first time, this pretty face. My name is gloryuzuh and you're welcome to my channel. Here we make lifestyle vlogs, lifestyle, hair. Guys, I made this hair myself, and funny enough I could not vlog it, and I'm so pained. I could not vlog it, and it's really painful that I could not, but I made this hair myself. I'm just going to insert pictures of it, so you guys are going to see. Back to discussion. Today is the white wedding. I'll be going for it. I'm going to show you guys my full fit, hopefully please. You know, the last time I actually had plans of showing you guys my full fit, but anyways, nature had other plans. Like that last wedding they tried, which was on Thursday. Today is Saturday, by the way. So that Thursday I had plans of taking Instagram body pictures, making lots of videos, but oh my goodness, that rain turned everything upside down. You know, when they say you plan, man plan, but God disposes, if that's the right way. If not, I'm going to just put it on the screen. But anyways, that's about it, and I'm sorry I'm bending like this to make a video, but the lighting here is a whole lot better in this house. The lighting from this window is a whole lot better, and I really don't have plans of setting up my ring light. I know you guys have not really been seeing me much often, but I just want to tell you guys that please hold on for me. I'm just in a place where I'm just trying to do much better with my vlogging, but I've not been able to do that much because I'm not in a space that permits that. I really don't know how to put it, but I'm just not in a space. I have a whole lot of plans, but the space I'm in does not permit it. Yes? Yeah? I'm coming. Okay, I need to end this vlog. I need to end this whole intro now. But anyways, you guys know the whole gist. Please keep on watching. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye, guys. You know, look at the camera, Abby. You see this small cute wedding ivy card? It's creative and amazing, and it's like one of the highlights of this whole wedding. And of all days, this pimple decided to come and spoil my steez. Yeah, you see this building, I'm confused about how it works because, come on, how did they climb on it? Even if they use a boat to get there, we did not carry a ladder to climb up? Because I don't get.
Your parents just do mistake. Now, liar. Now they're supposed to give you as name instead of Kentus.
Hey guys, quick update. So we came to the wrong place. We came to the wrong venue. It's not this place I showed you guys. Came to the wrong place, but it's somewhere around here. We're trying to figure it out. And this place does not even look like they're having a wedding here or something. But I'll keep you guys updated about the whole stuff. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I decided to do a quick outfit check just in case I don't have time.
My boo,
My crush.
my sugar banana,
My boo.
my baby boo boo. Oh my boo.
My boo.
I don't know why.
It's okay for you to shoot your shot. I'm not begging you because if you don't shoot your shot, somebody else will shoot it. Try your luck. I might say no, but still try your luck.
I really hope he came out well. That's the right place.
You get one vibe what you do for Port Harcourt. I want to hear that vibe. That vibe is so. You understand? Bring that vibe what you do for Port Harcourt.
You need your friends to bring it up.
I want to hear them.
Bring it up. Listen. As a Port Harcourt break and from Rosa the Rep. Let me for creep. Listen. As a Port Harcourt break and from Rosa the Rep.
Feeling something that's good for me. Never little cheap. Emotional, stop feeling this. Leave me.
plus anything now.
You get one vibe what you do for Port Harcourt. I want to hear that vibe again. That vibe is so. You understand now? Give me that vibe what you do for Port Harcourt.
You need to find some, bring it up.
I want to hear ram.
Bring it up.
So,
Listen.
you understand now? Give me that vibe what you do for Port Harcourt.
You need to find some, bring it up.
I want to hear ram.
Bring it up. Listen.
Next agenda. Bride's family entrance.
Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for
This is the moment we have been waiting for. Right about now, the newest couple in the whole of Nigeria.
Try and eat well. You may not have all the means now, but please eat well. Turn and tell your neighbor, eat well. There are some of us, the wickedness you are doing to yourself, the revenge will come in the future. Some of us, you've been taking Gary from almost throughout this week, and it's not like, yes, of course things are not there yet, but come on now, Abba, go to your friend's room, let him help you. What is all that?
Next agenda. Couple's entrance. Dance competition between groom, men and bride.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the world champion, the best dancer in the whole of West Africa, Mr. A man can do better. I will show you the better right now.
The bride and maid's turn.
Praise, can you majestically come forward? Is she beautiful? Yeah. So fine, so fine, Step up, step up, step up, step up, step up. Ladies and gentlemen, you might not know, but in the year 2001, a very young lady went to Jamaica to represent Nigeria in one tournament of dance. You might not know, I was there. Grace was there. She won the gold medal. Ladies and gentlemen, dancing right now, I present to you the most glamorous dancer on the face of the earth.
Choosing the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, this very handsome groom with those sets and this very beautiful bride. Ladies and gentlemen, if Timmy is the winner, and I say you have been left behind, you have been left behind. If Timmy is the winner, and I Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I present to you the most energetic, the most beautiful, the most glamorous, the highly blessed, the best bride in the face of the earth. That is Friends,
bride's brother and groom's sister. Competition.
Imagine is one of the siblings here. You know all of the siblings. And wherever you are, come and represent the entire family right now. Amaka, please don't disappoint. Amaka, don't disappoint. Where is Amaka? This Amaka can never disappoint. I can see it on her forehead. Wait, what is that guy in front of the He's the best. Ladies and gentlemen, you will know that the dance and the energy is from the family. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the best dancers representing the couple. DJ, let's go! Do we have the winner?
Yes, sir.
You have fried all the spectators.
Yes.
Mother-in-law's competition.
Please, where's the mother of the groom? Where's the mother of the bride? Today is your day, and it is the day of your children. And your mother is ready. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Next agenda. Devotion songs competition.
Emmanuel, are you a Christian? Friends, are you a Christian? Thank you. I will know whether when daddy and mommy used to wake you up for morning devotion when you were 5, whether you used to sleep during prayers or not. So I'm taking all of us back to morning devotion right now. How many of us grew up in good Christian home? Every day that your mommy and daddy wake you up for morning devotion, the first song is always Good morning,
Jesus. Good morning.
Everybody,
I know you come from heaven above.
Say, the Holy Spirit. So you are singing together. Where are the guys?
You'd have left.
You go to church and say, how the men they run away? Where are we ready? Very good. Are we ready? Are we ready? Guys, we are going first. Are we ready? Say, 1, 2, 3, go!
Next agenda. Best School Rhymes Challenge.
We are H-A-P-P-Y. We know we have, we are sure. We are H-A-P-P-Y. I see those that went to school.
Where shall I see my home? Where shall I see my dream?
Only mommy go to school. Only about school. Oh yeah.
There are five magic words that I know. Please excuse me, sorry, thank you. And the last one, pardon me.
Choreography Entertainment. Next agenda. Cutting of cake.
This is orgy.
Okay.
Is it romantic?
Yeah.
A lot of us from Mr. Emmanuel. Again, number one. Number one. Thank you so much. Since God is love, we are going to spell love. And the direction of love will cause this thing. We get O. B. C. Let's put hands together and celebrate them.
This one.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wedding toast.
Houses in London. We are wishing them a very fulfilling life. And of course, we are wishing them everlasting happiness. Can you cheers right now? Give me. Hooray!
Many children, more money.
Next agenda. Couples dance.
Light in your heart. We know how the story. We will never break. Build up strong enough to stay. Break. I will rise it. All out remain. We will. It's more than passing play. You are the explanation of what love really means. It's bigger than you and me. It's one much more. We talk about I'm not worried about
The most beautiful wedding reception you have ever seen.
Time to take pictures with family.
See girl now, shy, God a craze. Girl just smile like two people. Asanwa, Omalisha, looking like 10 over 10 when there's nothing.
You did the one you turn my life around. You did the you did the
Okay, this one is video. You have to do something. It's video. She doesn't come out very well now. Oh yeah, our third glass of wine. It's a family reunion, baby. Yes, now, yes, okay. It's nice. It's confused. I don't know what to do.
It's okay for you to shoot your shot. I'm not begging you because if you don't shoot your shot, somebody else will shoot it. Try your luck.
After party.
You don't need to roll the rock and roll.
You may not have all the means now, but please eat well.
Hey guys, so we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed creating and editing it. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family, your friends, and your enemy. Are you having a wedding soon? Are you looking for ideas? Or someone looking for ideas? Come on, share this video to them. Let them see how to spice up their wedding reception. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy the 3rd Milan Bridge night view, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.